How to make Instagram highlight cover in Ibis Paint X. Go to Ibis Paint X and select New Canvas. Take size 2000px to 2000px. Go to Brushes and choose Airbrush Normal. Choose any color of your choice. Go to Ruler Scale and select Circle Scale. Now start coloring the outer circle. Remove the circle. Add your text. Now go to Google and search Floral Wreath Black and White. Choose your favorite wreath and download it. Go to Ibis Paint X and add your image. Move your floral wreath layer to the down. We are done. Import it in your Instagram highlight cover.